Hello YouTube, my name is Brian and this is a C++ tutorial on Ostream iterator and function copy. But first, what is an Ostream iterator? Ostream iterators are output iterators that write sequentially to an output stream. They are constructed from a basic Ostream object to which they become associated, so that whenever an assignment operator is used on the Ostream iterator, it inserts a new element into the stream. Optionally, a delimiter can be specified on construction. This delimiter is written to the stream after each element is inserted. So what it means is that Ostream iterators are just elements that are inserted after each element on a string, vector, or an array. Now, what is a function copy? It copies the elements in the range first to last into the range beginning at result. The function returns an iterator to the end of the destination range. The ranges shall not overlap in such a way that result points to an element in the range. So this is what copies the iterator inside a string, vector, or an array. Now, an Ostream iterator requires a header iterator, and the function copy requires a header, which is algorithm. Here is an example of a program that uses the Ostream iterator and function copy. So in this sample program, I declared a vector named myVector, and for I equal to 1, this will perform the code myVector.pushback I times 10. So the value of my vector will be I multiplied by 10 for I is less than 10 with an increment of I++. So the value of my vector will be 10, 20, 30 up to 90. Then I declared an Ostream iterator, namely for int. The object name is outIt, and it will see out a comma and a space. Now I used the function copy to copy the Ostream iterator with an object name of outIt from the beginning of my vector to the end. So what happens is that every after value of my vector, it inserted a comma and a space. So 10 comma space, 20 comma space, 30 comma space, 40 comma space, and so on and so. Now that's it. That's the function of Ostream iterator and function copy. Here's another example. Now this time I'll be using a string. I inserted a code here which is cout, the string, and endl. Then I declared an Ostream iterator, namely for characters, with an object name of outIt, and it will see out an exclamation point and a space. So function copy from beginning to end of my string, and the name of the iterator, the object name of the iterator. I'm sorry. Then let's see. So it displays hello world. The first output is the output without an iterator, and here the second one is the one with the iterator. Let me tweak this a bit. So what if the Ostream iterator I declared is namely for integers? Now let's see what happens. What it did is that for every character of my string hello world, it is converted into its numeric value. If you don't know the numeric values of the characters, these are so-called the ASCII codes. You can Google them and find out if this output is true or not, but I will tell you this is true. I'm not lying. Okay, so H is converted to 104, E is converted to 101, and so on. Then for every element, it inserted an exclamation point and a space. That's all. That's the function of Ostream iterator and function copy. I hope you learned something. Okay, and see you. Bye.